In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 new remote jobs that anyone can start right now. In fact, when you watch this entire video, the last high-paying job on this list is one of the biggest websites in the world and has a position that pays $99,568 a year. So if you are ready to finally work 100% remotely from the comfort of your own home, keep watching. What is up? My name is Chris and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here, it's my sole purpose to help you see that you don't always need a job, you need an income. So for my #1 way to make money online, be sure to go check the link down in the description, benjisdad.com. That's benjisdad.com. There I have a free passive income method that is so easy to do, I'm pretty sure I can even teach a baby how to do it. So if you want to learn that method, be sure to go check me out over at benjisdad.com and let's chat. All right, so the first remote job on our list is 5CA.com. Now, 5CA claims to be the remote first CX company. So what CX means is customer experience, and it's basically a customer service position, but specifically for video games and other video game type titles. So for example, let's scroll down a little bit and we can see here some of the brands that they've worked with over the last 15 years. Rovio, 2K Games, Epic Games, Beowulf, and even AMD. So what these companies do will contract out 5CA.com to help them manage the players who are playing the games and make sure that they are having the best customer experience that they possibly can while playing their games. So to see the jobs that are available over here at 5CA, at the very top, you can click on careers, and then here in the middle, see open jobs. So they have plenty of jobs that are available, as you can see from this list. So to make this a little bit easier, you're going to click on remote here on the left side. You see it kind of trims it a little bit. Then on select department, the one that I specifically zeroed in on was customer service. Now, the jobs that they have the most of include some type of being able to speak multiple languages or being multilingual. So since people all around the world play video games, some of the most plentiful jobs that they have here over at 5CA are jobs that require you to know another language. So if you just happen to know anything like Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Swedish, Chinese, Spanish, Italian, Dutch, it doesn't even matter what it happens to be, because they need people in these customer service roles to be able to talk to people all around the world. So just for fun, let's click on the one that says Korean. So now that we are looking at the requirements here, let's go ahead and zoom in just a tad. And I want to show you something that's really important about the positions that are available here at 5CA.com. And notice it says, as part of the recruitment process, 5CA might conduct a screening of your publicly available social media. So Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and or Instagram. So just be careful about what it is that you put on your social media profiles, something that's not going to be detracting or make the business or company look bad. And if you want some further details on this, there is the privacy policy that you can click on right there, just so that you can probably see the types of things that they want for the company. And they want to make sure that you as a person is in line with that. So as I can see, other than speaking another language, the only other requirement that you need for this job is to not live in the Netherlands. So as long as you don't live there, you would have the opportunity to apply for this job and most likely get it, especially if you're able to speak any languages. So the #4 business on our list is Kraken.com. Now, Kraken.com is kind of like a Coinbase when it comes to cryptocurrency. They help you to buy crypto, to sell crypto, and to even exchange it among all of the different cryptocurrencies that are out there. They trade with 50 different cryptocurrencies. And it doesn't even matter what your experience with crypto happens to be. They help you if you are brand new in the cryptocurrency, if you are just investing in cryptocurrency, or if you just need to be able to exchange it from one place to another and try to make some money with it. But since crypto is kind of high risk, being able to have a nice consistent income is even better. And you can do that by working directly for Kraken.com. So to find the careers, we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and over here under About, we're going to click on Careers, and to the bottom right hand corner, All Open Jobs, let's click on Client Services, and then in the drop down box near Location, we're going to hit it and go to Remote. This will list all of the remote jobs that are available over at Kraken.com. And it's kind of similar to our 5CA, where being able to speak another language is super helpful in being able to find a job as quickly as possible with a company like Kraken. The couple of jobs that I found specifically is the bilingual live chat support, which makes it where you don't even have to jump on the phone. You just need to be able to type decently fast. And then the business onboarding specialist. Now, with this position, what you are going to be doing is bringing people on as they start to use Kraken as their cryptocurrency bank. And as we scroll down some more, another one that I found that was pretty interesting is the phone support specialist. So as people are coming on and using Kraken as their crypto bank, you're going to be able to talk with them and get them onboarded and make sure that they all are okay. So be sure to go check out Kraken.com. Now, the number 3 company on our list is ChainlinkLabs.com. Okay, so let's briefly explain what Chainlink Labs does, okay? So they are a smart contract creator, and they're able to input these things into the blockchain. So I know you might be thinking, okay, what is a smart contract? Well, it's a small piece of code that's inserted directly into the blockchain that will only execute when certain conditions are met. And this is super helpful because it still protects the buyer and the seller while still maintaining anonymity. Okay, so let's make this a little bit more easy by just looking at the positions that are available over at chainlinklabs.com. So at the very top, we're going to click on careers and then see open roles. And as you can see, there are a ton of jobs that are available here. But if you go specifically to operations, one job that I found in particular was called a people specialist. And as you can see, this is again, a fully remote job. Let's zoom in just a little bit. Your impact, you're going to be onboarding new hires and giving each new employee excellent onboarding experience. So you're going to be dealing with people as they come onto the business in a human resources type role. So any experience within HR will be super, super helpful. And then being able to obviously have some written, verbal, and interpersonal communication skills. But again, if this one doesn't, tickle your fancy, you can look at a lot of the other positions that are available just by clicking on one of them here and then drilling down. They are all 100%, as you can see on the side here, remote full-time positions. So the number 2 business on our list is called languagebear.com. So what LanguageBear does is that they take the content that you've already created on a website or any type of information that you might be selling to people, and then can translate it up to 40 different languages. And this is super helpful, especially when companies are trying to expand to other parts of the world. So again, being a little multilingual or knowing at least one other language would be super helpful in making sure that you can get a position over here at LanguageBear. So let's just see exactly what positions are available. Let's scroll down to the very bottom and we're going to click on careers. And because of the nature of what you're going to be doing over at LanguageBear, there is actually like dozens and dozens of positions that are available literally at any given time. So under open positions, we're going to go to the far right and click on remote only. And as we scroll down, we can look at a lot of the content writing positions that are available and the languages that you would need to be able to write in. And a lot of these include Canadian French, it can include Czech, Lithuanian, even Danish, and a little Dutch, Finnish, Russian, Slovak, Slovenia, Vietnamese. So as you can see, the languages just kind of goes on, but it's not just writing the content as well. You can also do proofreading and editing, which is usually a more higher paying position. And again, looking through, you see a lot of the languages that we just went through that are available. The one negative to languagebear.com is that a lot of the positions that are available, as you can see on the right here, are remote contract positions, which means they don't bring you on as a 100% full-fledged employee. However, if you stay with them long enough, they, from what I've read, they do eventually start to bring you on as a regular employee, but you do have to kind of prove yourself early on by making sure that you can do the job. Also, just a quick reminder, if you do find this information valuable, please click the like button. It really helps push this video out to a newer audience and other people who are looking for other work from home opportunities too. So if you're getting any type of value in this, please click the like button and I'd appreciate it. So that's languagebear.com. Be sure to go check them out. I'll be sure to put a link down in the description to all of these places as well. So now the number 1 place on our list is wikimediafoundation.org. And if you heard me right, yeah, I did say Wikimedia, which means this is the company that owns Wikipedia. And Wikipedia literally is one of the biggest websites in the world. In fact, we look at some of these numbers here. There's over 200,000 contributors, 68 million media files are on Wikimedia Commons. But look at this number, 1 billion unique devices access Wikimedia projects every single month. Now, these numbers are comparable to what YouTube gets per month, or TikTok gets per month, or even Facebook gets per month because of the sheer number of people who are using these services. So to find some of the positions that are available over here at wikimediafoundation.org, we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And over here in this little blocky looking thing, we're going to click on careers. And I love this saying, make the internet a better place for free knowledge. So that's basically what Wikipedia does, right? So let's go ahead and zoom in just a little bit here, and we can see all of the different positions that are available over here on the right. And I want you to click on finance and administration. So we're going to scroll down a little bit and get to this position right here, IT service desk manager. And just to briefly go over what an IT service desk manager will do, you can see here at the top, you will oversee all daily technical support activities. So being organized is 100% one of the best ways to do this. And one thing that's really important with an IT service desk manager is people skills, being able to talk with other departments within the Wikimedia Foundation and making sure that the problems that they are having are actually being fixed and serviced as quickly as possible so that the company can continue running. And as always, it is a 100% remote position as well. So even though working from home is so awesome, is so amazing, being able to work for yourself is even better because you don't have to work for somebody else telling you what to do. So if you want to learn how to do that, I was able to do it with something that's called affiliate marketing. And you can check the video out right there where I talk about how you can get started with affiliate marketing, 100% no experience for beginners.